Good morning, students. Today is our module 4 of the same chapter, Rational Number. This is our lecture 5. Today we are going to cover these topics. First is properties of addition of rational number to be continued. Exercise 1C to be continued. And next, properties of subtraction of rational numbers. Now, let us start with our third property, that is associative law. It says that while adding three rational numbers, they can be grouped in any order. This property is also called as grouping property. For example, let A upon B, C upon D and E upon F are three rational numbers. Then according to this property, if we will make groups like this, first we have group A upon B and C upon D, they are added in one bracket. Then their sum is added to the third rational number, and on right hand side we have changed the group, like second and third rational number is added in a bracket, and the sum of these two rational number is added in the first rational number. So let us take an example for this. Let A upon B is negative 2 upon 3, C upon D is 5 upon 7 and E upon F is 1 upon 6. Now we will make two sides, left hand side and right hand side, in which we will group our rational number in two different ways, like this. In this bracket, A upon B is added and the answer of this bracket is added to the third number. And on right hand side, first we will write the first rational number, then we will add to the sum of the second and the third rational number. Now let us put the values. Here we have put the values and solve this bracket first, like this, and this is our third number. After solving this, we get this step. Now if we will solve this, then we will get 9 upon 42 as the answer, and this we can cancel as this, and we will get on left hand side 3 upon 14 as an answer. Now let us solve the right hand side. On right hand side, in this equation we will put the values. For A upon B we will write negative 2 upon 3, and for this bracket we will write the value of C upon D as 5 upon 7, E upon F as 1 upon 6. Values will be same, only the regrouping is done. So first we will solve this bracket, then the answer of this bracket will be added to the first rational number. Here we have solved the bracket like this, and we have reached to this step after solving. Now the same calculation is continued, and here we will get again 9 upon 4 as an answer of this step, and we will do the cancelling, and we'll get 3 upon 14 as answer for right hand side also. So here left hand side and right hand side are equal. This conclude that if we will change the groups, then if we will change the groups like this, the answer will remain same. This is a very important property which we will be using while solving our questions. Now next property is existence of additive identity. It says that 0 is a rational number such that the sum of any rational number and 0 means 0 is added to any rational number, then answer is the rational number itself. It means that whenever 0 is added to a rational number, the answer will be the same rational number which is given. Like a upon b is a rational number. If we will add 0 to that in any order, a upon b plus 0 or 0 plus a upon b, the answer will be the same rational number. So the statement is, for every rational number a upon b, 0 is called the additive identity of all rationals. Now let us do the next property. This property we have already discussed under the topic of additive inverse. Now this property is existing of additive inverse. It says that for every rational number a upon b, there exists a rational number negative a upon b, that is the opposite of that number, such that if we will add a number to its additive inverse, then answer will be 0. And because here the given number was positive as a upon b, so its negative is negative a upon b is called the opposite or additive inverse of a upon b. Like if the given number is negative a upon b, then its additive inverse will be its opposite, that is a upon b. Now let us do some questions based on these properties from exercise 1c. We will continue 1c. Here is the question number 3, in which we have to verify the following. The first part is this. First part is that negative 12 upon 5 plus 2 upon 7, we have to verify. This is our LHS. And RHS is 2 upon 7 plus negative 12 upon 5. See here, in left hand side and right hand side, the order is reverse. So let us recall the commutative law. Here commutative law is used, that is ulta pulta ek saman. Now we will solve this as first we will solve the left hand side, then we will solve the right hand side and see whether left hand side and right hand side are equal or not. So let us solve this. On left hand side I have written negative 12 upon 5 plus 2 upon 7. We will solve this as we have done in the addition of rational number. Same steps we will follow and we will get negative 74 upon 35 as an answer. Now let us see what happens to the right hand side. Here we have reversed the order and solve the same in the same manner as we are doing as we have already done for addition of rational number, and here also we will get negative 74 upon 35 as a answer. So left hand side and right hand side are equal. Left hand side and right hand side are equal. Hence we will write here as hence verified. Now let us do the second part. Here again we have to verify negative 5 upon 8 plus negative 9 upon 13 is equal to negative 9 upon 13 plus negative 5 upon 8. Again here we have changed the order. The same law, commutative law, which is used in the previous question, here also we are using the same, where left hand side is this and right hand side is this. So we will solve left hand side and right hand side separately. Now let us solve. Left hand side, this is the question. We will solve this in the same manner as we have done in the previous question, and we will get negative 137 upon 104 as an answer. Now let us see on right hand side. Here the order is reversed. Now here also we have done the calculation in the similar manner as we have already done in the previous questions, and we will get negative 137 upon 104 as an answer. Here also left hand side and right hand side are equal. So we will write LHS is equal to RHS. Hence we will write verified. Now let us do the next question. Question number 4. In this also we have to verify the following, but we have to see which property is used here. Here in this is the first part. Here you can see two rational numbers are written in this bracket, and this bracket is added to a third rational number. So there are three rational numbers. This is the left hand side. Now let us see the right hand side. Here what the question is asking for, they have changed the group. Here they have changed the group. So this is a grouping property. Now this is the first rational number like this, and on the right hand side second and third number is grouped in one bracket. So this is a associative law. Here associative law is used in which the grouping is changed. In this question also we will solve left hand side and right hand side separately and see whether they are equal or not. See the left hand side. First we will solve this bracket like this. We have done the LCM of 4 and 5 is 20, and we will solve the numerator. The 4 is multiplied by which number, so that we can get 20 as an answer, that is 5. So numerator also is multiplied by 5, and 5 is multiplied by which number, that is 4. So its numerator also multiplied by 4, and this number we will write as it is. Now see the next step. Again in bracket we will solve and write it as this, and after solving this bracket we will get 7 upon 20 as an answer, which is to be added to this, the third number. Here we will solve this. Again we have taken the LCM and solved it, and we get negative 7 upon 20 as answer on left hand side. Now let us see the right hand side. On right hand side the groups are changed. Now in bracket the third number and second number and the third number is there. So we will solve this bracket first, like this. We have solved this. The first number we are writing as it is, and at this step we have solved the numerator, and after solving we get this bracket as negative 11 upon 10. Now we will solve these two numbers and get negative 7 upon 20 as a answer on right hand side. Here also you can see the left hand side and right hand side are equal. So you will write hence verify. I am not written here, but you will write in your notes. Now let us do one word problem, that is question number 9. Here the question is the sum of two rational number is negative 2, and if one of the rational number is negative 14 upon 5, we have to find the other. Now what is given? The first rational number is given as negative 14 upon 5, and sum is of those rational number is given as negative 2. Now here we have to suppose the second rational number. Let the second rational number is x. Now according to the question, if first rational number is added to the second rational number, we will get the sum. So by transposition, the second rational number which we have supposed at x will be sum minus the first number. This we will transpose on the right hand side and will get this equation. And if we will put here second number as x and sum as negative 2 and first number as negative 14 upon 5, then we will get this as an equation. Here we will solve the right hand side in the similar manner like we have done in the addition. Here in the denominator nothing is written, so we will write here 1, and the LCM of 1 and 5 is 5 only, and we will solve the numerator in the similar manner and we will get this step. After solving this step we will get x as 4 upon 5. So this is our second number, and here we will write our answer. The second rational number is 4 upon 5. Now let us do some properties of subtraction of rational numbers. The first property is closure property. It says that the difference of two rational number is always a rational number if a upon b and c upon d are two rational number, then a upon b minus c upon d is also a rational number. This is the similar property like in addition we have done. So closure property holds for subtraction also. Now the commutative law. Commutative law, if two rational number in this law is not valid for the subtraction of rational number. It says that two rational number cannot be subtracted in any order. Means if we will reverse the order, the answer will not be same. So if two rational number a upon b and c upon d are the two rational number, then a upon b minus c upon d is not equal to, this is the symbol of not equal to the c upon d minus a upon b. This law you can verify by taking any two rational number and solve as per your convenience, and you can verify that commutative law does not hold for subtraction of rational number. It is not applicable for subtraction of rational number. Now the associative law. This law is also not valid for subtraction of rational number. It says that for any three rational number a upon b, c upon d, e upon f, see what we are doing in the associative law. We are doing the grouping. So here if we'll change the group from left hand side to right hand side, the answer will not be same. So it is not equal. When we will change the group, the answer will be different. This law also you can check by taking any of the example at your own. Now next is property of 0. It says that for any rational number a upon b, we have this a upon b minus 0 is the same number. If we will subtract 0 from any rational number, the answer will be the same rational number. But if any rational number is subtracted from 0, the answer is reverse of that number. Recall the special cases which we have done in the last class, in which we have written when 0 is subtracted from a rational number, then answer will be the same rational number. And if any rational number is subtracted from 0 like this, the answer will be its additive inverse. This also we have done earlier. Now it's time for homework. Today's homework: do the following questions of exercise 1C along with the notes in your copy. First you have to write your notes, which I will provide in the PDF form and which I have explained today. And along with that you have to do question number 3. I have written the question here, question number part 3 and 4. I have written in this question, the hint is, see here the denominators are negative. So first you have to make the denominator positive, then you have to solve. Similarly, in question number 4 part 2, here the denominators are negative. First you have to make it positive, then you have to solve. And question number 4 also you have to do second and third part. After that you will do question number 10. Question number 10 this is one of the word problem. So for today our lecture is over. You will note down your notes in your copies and write down, do these questions along with that as a homework. Thank you.